welcome to this week's vlog. And when I tell you we have a doozy on our hands, I mean we have a doozy on our hands. My studio, or like my workspace, I guess you want to call it, is an absolute disaster. Not only have I stopped 2 retail locations since coming on summer break, and by the way, this is week 1, I also have been preparing for 2 events, a lavender festival and a beach craft festival. So, I mean, just don't judge me, okay? This area is where I have all of my products that are made. They just need like a finishing touch, like those soap bars need to be wrapped or labeled. Then here, again, it's just more candles and stuff that I've made that need labels on them. As you can see here, I've got my very fancy labels. A stack of labels on top of my photography area. This I'll explain momentarily. And this table looks a little bit better, but like not by much. A bunch of candle, like there's my candle supplies back there, but then I have like finished products, more labels. I just have stuff everywhere. I wasn't joking when I said it's been a true mess. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take care of as many small tasks as I can and just hope for the best. Let's do it. So far, things are going well. It looks much nicer. I still have a bunch to do, but I wanted to stop for a quick sec and tell you guys about these because I get questions about them a lot. So essentially what these are scent pouches. Hold on one second. It's a group text. Let me mute that. Okay. These are what I call scent pouches. Now, my finished products, let me grab one. They are, I'm trying to make myself shorter so I fit. So my finished products are packaged like this, as you have probably seen before. Okay, so I do the wax seal on the top with my logo in it, which means that when people buy them, they can't smell them. And obviously, who's going to buy something, especially, you know, at the price point that I sell my products at? No one's going to buy something without being able to smell it first. So essentially, what I came up with was making scent pouches. So I bought these little things. I actually had them from before when I was Pink Sugar Soapery, and I put like bath bomb bites in them. I think they're just candy envelopes. I'm not exactly sure. They do like open at the bottom so they can like stand up, but I like to keep mine flat. So here's what I do. Let me grab like a newer one because that one's seen better days. So essentially what I do is I use a silicone mold. I put the fragrance oil that I need a scent for in the silicone mold. And then as I'm working, I either put melted candle wax or melt and pour soap into the mold, and then I swish it around to mix the fragrance oil in really, really well. Once it's hardened, I cut it in half and I make 2 envelopes. The first envelope stays with me so I can take it to markets. The second envelope I keep until I go to restock my 2 retail locations. And then from there, I kind of decide which envelope is going to go, or which scent or fragrance is going to go to which retail location. I just started stocking, like I said, the second retail location, but I'm really excited because they both kind of have very different consumers, different age groups. So I'm interested to kind of see what happens with that. stretch over a couple of days of me trying to make sense of and clean my studio space. And I've kind of just really hit as far as I can. You know, I have, as you saw, I have tables that I'm currently using for drying things. I've got a candle set up. I've got all the things that still need like labels and fixing over here. So that's going to be my next step. I really need to sit down and take a look at the things on this table behind me. Though it is organized, as you can see, there's still a lot. I'm going to actually need this table next weekend. So actually, no, this weekend. Today's Wednesday. I'm going to need this table on Saturday. So that's what I'm going to work on now. If you're interested in digital downloads for your handmade business, recipe cards, exclusive content, please again check the description box below. You can get access to my free Facebook group, and you can also find the link to join my Patreon. Thank you so much to those of you who already have joined the group in my Patreon, or one or the other. I really do appreciate it. It is awesome to kind of see you guys coming over and hanging out and being with me more. That's, you know, obviously my big goal is to make this a community. So thank you if you've already done that, and I will see you in the next video.